Okay guys, let's discuss together how to add on-screen keyboard in your desktop and how to make it in desktop context menu, how to add it here inside this between these options. Okay, so now why we need to add this on-screen keyboard because sometimes some buttons in your keyboard is not working, so you will compensate that with using this on-screen keyboard. So on-screen keyboard is very important for everyone has a problem in his keyboard, physical keyboard. This is virtual keyboard will be good at you at the same situation. At this situation you have to use this on-screen keyboard. If any problem happen to your keyboard or some buttons not working and like that, so because of the dust or like that, so you have to take the advantage for on-screen keyboard. So that's why I'm trying to do this video and record this video just to get the utilities to you, just to use this on-screen keyboard, right? Like everyone, like every time we have to run it from the desktop CMD command prompt. Just write on-screen keyboard, OSK, on-screen keyboard, 3 words like this, OSK. Okay, no need to write EXE. Okay, it's working now. Okay, this is the first way to run this one, right? The second way to run this on-screen keyboard, just right click, make the same right click shortcut, make it as an icon in your desktop. So you have to make it like that. So just write the same OSK, the same OSK, next. Okay, on-screen keyboard created in your desktop, no problem, but double click it will work, no problem, right? Now it's available for you to have it as an icon, to have it as an in command prompt. And the third way is how to add this one on-screen keyboard to this desktop context menu. This is our video for today. This is the main reason to make it available for you, just one click like that, right? Okay, let's make it now. Open registry. I told you before you have to choose the first hive. Inside this hive you can go to 2 ways. It's one. The first one is directory background. The second one is the desktop background. So you have to make it as you wish. Okay, just go to the desktop background, this desktop background inside this one shell. Okay, let's do it here beside the display and personalize here like this. We will add our option here. Okay, let's make it right click, new key, write this key. I'll make it OSK, right? I'll name it OSK. Inside this one I'll make another key under this key and I'll name it command. Okay, inside this command I'll write at the right side, double click, okay, and I'll make osk.exe. okay, but about the icon for this on-screen keyboard, we don't know the icon now. OSK available, right? So it's I think it's not good. I think it's, if it becomes a capital, I think it will be good. So we will make it not here, it's like this here, OSK. I'll name it, rename OSK, okay, to becomes because he needs some changes. If you make it rename, you have to make some changes. This is system, okay, OSK1, okay, this is OSK1. So we have to, no problem, just remove this one to become like this. So this is OSK. But what is the what about the icon for this on-screen keyboard? Now let's check it if working or not. OSK now working. See, at the right desktop context menu. Okay, but we need now to give it an icon, right? So it's 2 options. The first one, to give this icon like this, new string, and call it icon. Up to now, no problem. Okay, inside I can write the same. This is executive file. OSK on-screen keyboard. This is executive file, so I can give it the same name executive file to take the same icon of the command, right? osk.exe. It will take the keyboard icon, no problem. But the second way, this icon has a code, okay? This icon has a code, okay? Originally inside this system has a code. I prepared this before. Just we have to check this one, okay? This is on-screen keyboard. See what is the code for this on-screen keyboard? Shell 32.dll 173. Okay, we can make it like this. Let's change this OSK shell 32.dll 173. Okay, comma 173. So this is the same. Okay, like I told you before, right click OSK, it's the same. See, I changed the icon, but take the same shape. So we have to search for the code for every icon. We give it to the button we are created in your desktop. Okay, you have to search for the suitable icon for your choice, for your command. The new command you added to desktop, you have to choose the suitable icon related to the command you will run in your system. So this is small tips, I'll give it to you. This one, how to make this icons. Now this is OSK, right? So you can make many buttons and give it the same something related to the issue. Okay, the command we'll give it. Okay, this is the code for this icon on screen keyboard, so we can make it again. This is the code. Okay, let's leave it like this. Now in this case we will export this one now. Okay, so let's export our project to the desktop to be able to run it. Okay, export, I'll name it on screen or on screen keyboard on screen keyboard. This is the name for this icon. Okay, this is on screen keyboard. Okay, now we want to remove, no need to remove now. We will remove it by command script like before. Now OSK is available and working and everything is okay. So what can we do to remove this OSK from our system or from this operating system? Now by command script, right click and make it new Windows script. Inside this Windows script, I'll on screen keyboard, on screen keyboard the first letters should be capital, so this is not our. Okay, so on screen keyboard on desktop on screen keyboard on desktop. Okay, so the same name, I'll take it and I'll add delete. Okay, the same name, delete. Okay, so how can we delete this one? I think now you are professional about this. So reg delete. Okay, reg delete hkcr. Then we'll copy the remaining line from here like this up to this backslash. Copy, let's close it, paste it here like that. So we have to remove the last one, OSK dot, I'll add the OSK space and /f to apply this order forced, right? To apply this order forced inside this system. So now on screen keyboard available at the right side of your desktop context menu. How to remove it now? Right click, run as administrator. So yes, now removed from the system. So if you want to add it again, so this script, just double click and make it yes, and make it another yes, and this is okay. Okay, now on screen keyboard available now in the desktop. So let's remove it or make it like this. Now we'll make a script to be available for you to download this video anytime. Okay, right click and send to compressed, okay, script. Okay, now I think it's very easy for you to know now to make it like this now. So we have to remove this one, go to the recycle. So this also no need now. Okay, it's up to you to keep it, or you can remove it or delete it. Now OSK is working. So now we reach to the end of the video. So thanks for watching and goodbye.